Hello everyone. Today I am discussing procedure of filling the form and about interview question. One of the student who appeared in the interview gives me the full detail about the question of mining student. Right. So let's start this video. See, step number 1, we have to write the CIMFR career in a Google, and you will see this is the website, right? And further, step number 2, you have to click the web page of CIMFR career, okay, where you get the notifications, and you have to download the PDF of vacancies that the CIMFR gives you, right? After downloading the form, okay, this is your step 3, where you have to fill this form, right? You are seeing this form, it's visual. You have to fill this form, okay, properly. You have to write in a block letter if it is mentioned, okay, and you have seen the column of qualification. You have to give a proper percentage by calculating, okay. There you should not write a wrong percentage. Basically, this is the form which interviewer see, right, and asks from. First of all, interviewer asks questions about your qualifications or your training while seeing this form, okay. So see, in this form, in below column you have to write the training place and duration. If you have a training in any place, then put it, and remember, this column gives you a bunch of questions. So these are the form, you have to fill it first, okay. Step number 4, see, in the step number 4 you have to see, this is the advertisement by the CIMFR, in which they write the original document. You have to carry some original document along with the Xerox copy, right? So these are the documents you should carry. Once you remember, in your degree, whatever you carry, you have a degree, so you have to carry all semester original mark sheet with you, okay, in interview date, okay. And the second point is that you have carry your passing certificate of class 10, 12 and degree. And if you have recently passed the degree, then you have not to worry, you have to just carry your provisional certificate, okay. Remember, appearing student is not applicable for this vacancy, okay. Only those students who are complete their all semesters and give their final exam also, that type of student only gives the interview in CIMFR for project assistant, right? Okay, now this is the point number 5. See, this is the questions, right, given by a student who appear for the interview, right? See, basically he said that first the interviewer see the form, okay, and asks about your percentage and schooling, right? And then after interviewer asks about their training, right? And he asked 2 type of question about their training. See, here is written that as he write, first application form means he observe your application form thoroughly, right, and ask some little bit question about your application form. Basically, if you have get a CIMFR net rank, then he must ask that type of questions. And if you have write any training, any area of the training, then basically he asked about your training environment, equipment, whatever. As it is, he written that most of the question asked from your training, right? Just like first question is that, is there any danger in mine, like this type of question interviewer asks. And the second one, that what are the main cause and how we correct it, right? This type of question is asked by the interviewer. And further, the other question, what is a fire dump, what is white dump, this is the core subject questions, right? What is the exposure mixture, what is tipping ratio, what is the subsidence, precaution against in mines, type of coal seam, and what is the gradient, right? And the next question is mine plan scales, okay. And the last two question is type of explosions and which type of explosion used in mines, power factor and decorators factors, right? So these are the questions which recently asked by the CIMFR in interview, right? So these are the demo. I'm very thankful for that student who gives me these questions for you all, okay. Hope you understand the all procedure, okay. Lastly, I summarize the whole video in just a line that first you download from the CIMFR career a PDF or of notification, and further you fill the form, and second step you have to notice the PDF thoroughly in which the date of interview and venue is written, right, and you focus your project number, what the project name is given to you, right. And second thing is that you have to dress properly in interview. Basically there are 6 members of in interview panel, right, and they basically observe your behavior, sitting arrangement, your postures, your face reading, right. So you have to like very calm and just interview, just be prepared like a best interview, right. So these are the all procedure of giving a project assistant interview, okay. And any further help you may ask in comment box or you mail me. Thank you for watching.